Welcome back, everybody. My name is Mike Moore. This is the YouTube analytics for the channel. We just started up a couple weeks ago, and first I just wanted to say thank you to the new subscribers. We just broke that 50 subscriber mark, and we're at a little bit over 500 views. Just wanted to show you guys what the YouTube studio looks like. You can see your views per day, your real-time activity. Over the last 48 hours, we've had over 102 views. And our top video is the one about passive income from YouTube doing absolutely nothing. But that's not the purpose of this video. The purpose of this video is to break down our M1 Finance portfolio. Here's where we're at right now. We're at $313.75. We're up just a little bit. We started this account a couple weeks ago, and the market's been trading kind of sideways. But I thought today would be a good day. I've been doing more research into ETFs and stocks, and I want to switch up our investing strategy a little bit. We're going to switch a little bit more into the growth factor instead of the dividend factor. We're still going to keep it as a high dividend account, but we want to switch it up a little bit since this is my main account. I don't want to be only focused on dividends. I want to have a good growth to it too. So I'm going to show you exactly how I pick these ETFs and what weighting I'm using to increase the best chances of making money in the long term. I've basically already gone through all this off camera, and I made another pie here. It's under this Roth IRA. It uses 7 different slices. I still have SPHD, which is the high dividend low volatility fund, targeted at 25%. I have the Spider Dow Jones Industrial Average targeted at 20%. And then I added Vanguard Dividend Appreciation at 15%. I've also added Vanguard's Growth Fund at 15%. And also added Invesco QQQ, which is another growth-oriented stock slash ETF at 10%. And last but not least, I've added these last two, Vanguard High Dividend Yield, which is another nice dividend-paying stock, and I've added VTI to round off the portfolio to give us a broad exposure to the rest of the market. With all this, we're looking at a 2.317% dividend yield for the year and an expense ratio of 0.15%, which is not too bad considering we have a lot of broad diversification, a lot of different ETFs here. Based on the last 5 years, return since July 9th, 2014, this account would have made 53%, and it would have, in addition to this 53%, you would have this dividend yield. So 2.3% times 5, let me do the math real quick. 2.3 times 5 equals 11.5. So this return does not calculate dividends at all. So if you also calculate in these dividend returns, you're looking at over a 64% return for the last 5 years on this pie. Alright, so I'm going to edit this. This Moneymaker Mike pie had a lot of these, but we're changing up all the percentages, and we're going to just make it a little bit easier to follow for everybody out there watching these videos. So let me start it off by editing. We're going to remove this. All you have to do is click remove. So like I was talking about earlier, we're going to be adding those new ETFs that I've been researching. We already have these two, so we need VIG, VUG, QQQ, VYM, and VTI. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Let's just do it in order. So VIG, add to basket. We also need VUG. So let's get that one, add to basket. You can see them down here, 1, 2. Third one is QQQ, so QQQ, add to basket. And then we have VYM. So we're going to add that to basket. And then last but not least, we have VTI. So let's add that to the basket as well. Add to basket. Okay, so now down here you can see we've added all these to the basket. This is how M1 Finance works. You click add, and then here we're going to adjust the percentages. These percentages are how much, so if I put in $100, that's how it divvies it up. It'll put X percentage of that $100 or however much you invest into each one of these. So I've been doing the math on my other pie here, and we're at 25% and 20% on those. So let me get to those. 25, 20%. We have a remainder of 55%. So let's see what we got. VIG we want at 15%. I also know we want VUG at 15%. And then I believe we had QQQ and VYM as 10% each, which is going to leave VTI with only 5%. Perfect. So this is what our new pie is going to look like for this channel. I'm pretty sure this is going to stay like this for a long time. I've done a lot of research, and I think this is a really well diversified portfolio that's also going to make us some good dividend income. So let me just break it down again. We're removing this slice, which was a couple of these old ones, and we're retargeting. So we're going to retarget S&P. So we're going to retarget SPHD to 25%, DIA to 20%, VIG to 15%, VUG to 15%, QQQ to 10%, VYM to 10%, and VTI to 5%. So if you've been following us, you know that we started this account with only $100, and I'm adding $10 a day from my day job. I'm also adding all the income I make from my side hustles into this portfolio, which I document every month in our passive income YouTube series. But in honor of today's video and to say thank you to all our viewers and new subscribers, I was going to double our portfolio today. So we're going to go ahead and deposit exactly how much our portfolio is worth. We're worth $313.75. So let's go ahead. I've been saving up some money from the day job. Let's go ahead and supercharge this account and get it moving. So $313.75. Pretty sure that's right. Yep. Okay. So in honor of all these new viewers and subscribers, I want to do something a little special. Let's get this account off to the right start and double it in the first couple weeks. So here we go. Confirm. This is going to go in the next trading window, which should be tomorrow. Okay, perfect. So upcoming transfer tomorrow. As you can see, we have our scheduled deposit of $70 a week, which is equal to $10 a day. I want to say thank you so much to all the new subscribers and all the viewers who've been helping out this channel grow over the last couple weeks. I hope if you're new here that you found this fun, exciting, and informative. I'd love for you to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks so much, guys. Peace.